and transparent way meet the challenges that we might face. That is what we can do now. We are going to try to make it to Gaza. It's very clear that that is our goal. We are going to try to deliver humanitarian aid.
You went from the media darling to the media villain after you took a position to be against the genocide, to be against apartheid, to support a free Palestine. What's that journey been like for you?
I was so hated already before. When I was saying that listen to the science, stop with our environmentally destructive behavior. We have more grown up and are naming the systems that we want to overthrow.
So it went from cute to actually threatening.
I don't know about threatening. Do I look threatening? I see it as me continuing to act in line with the same values that I had then, based on principles of justice, equality, and freedom, human and planetary well-being. They go hand in hand. We cannot have one without the other. We are going to attempt to once again break Israel's illegal siege and open up a humanitarian corridor.